Yeah, chaos. I don't know. I don't know if Cowie will respond. I don't know if Cowie will respond. They could put a wheel on it and be at 330 horse tomorrow. A K-speed wheel and a slight change to the tune would get them 330 horse tomorrow. But I don't know if the culture inside Cowie will do it. I teased Cowie. I sent him an email about a month ago. Nah, maybe a little longer. I was like, you boys better bring your freaking A game when it comes to the R. You come in anything less, man, people are gonna boo. And all I got was a laughing emoji, like, yeah, we know. That R better be something. Oh, that R better be something. Guys, oh, Cowie, please, Cowie, please hear my prayers. Please. Please hear my prayers. Make the R something. Like, really something. Hey, guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.